Hello, everyone, and welcome to my first ever Fox God live podcast. This is the first podcast I will be doing in quite a while. The first thing I want to talk to you today about is me not being able to upload videos. Me being able to not upload videos, it's actually because I am actually waiting for brand new things to come in. I'm actually waiting for new mics to come in. For instance, right now I don't even have headphones on. I actually have the little headphone, like the cable that connects the headphones to my PC. The cable actually has the mic on. It doesn't actually have a separate mic. But that mic is what I'm actually using. I just took it off from the headphones, and now I'm just using that mic to talk to you. That's why I can easily just go and bring the mic up and closer to my mouth, and I instantly get 3 times, or maybe even 4 times louder. Today's podcast is also going to be about something called optical illusions. What I mean by optical illusions is illusions like, let's say, let's say this one. This is an optical illusion here. And as you can see, there's the blue rings actually form, but they're missing a piece, and it just looks like there's a black square on top, and it kind of forms that black square, but there's not really a black square on top. It's kind of like this one, you know. It's kind of like this one. It has these different shapes going in a very specific pattern that kind of determine what's going on. Like, kind of gives you this white triangle shape. And it's really weird because there's no lines in between each of these shapes. All these shapes are there because they're there. Another one that I personally kind of do like is this one. Now I am actually reshaping these as we talk. But if you look over here at the Fox God podcast logo, keep staring at that one. Don't look at the white image. You will actually see that it kind of moves there. It kind of moves. Um, but I honestly find that to be really weird because you can't really do this normally. I'm actually going to currently I actually search up optical illusion. So right now, I'm on the internet. Well, okay, so I have my recording software. Next to it is the thing that I can actually get all my images to upload onto the screen. And then I actually have the internet so I can get those images and then show them to you. So I'm gonna show you. Look, for instance, this is a really weird image. I find this image to be very confusing. This one is a very weird image in my opinion. And I don't know why this half of it is there, but it's a really weird image, okay? And that's actually the image that we get when we do these kinds of things. We do these optical illusions. Uh, Another one that I'm actually trying to find, and I've been trying to find, but I can't seem to find it. Oh, this one. Oh, I like this one. This one is also really interesting because you don't see this kind of thing normally. Now I really gotta reform and reshape this one because it's so big. But the little one, the one to the left and the one to the right, actually the middle circle, normally it would ask you which one's bigger and which one's smaller. And you would normally say that the smaller one is the one on the right when they're actually exactly the same size. Let me try and find that for you. me a second. Let me try and find another one for you that is also quite interesting. And it really does blow a lot of people's minds away. Just like, boom. Oh, look at this building. When you look at this building, this one right here. When you look at this building, it's just so many different stairs and so many different things going on. It's like I can actually go on forever and ever going about these optical illusions because I just can't. Now I'm sorry because a lot of these are actually really bad quality because it's the actual imagery themselves on why they're really bad quality. But this one is meant to be a checkered board, but it's not a successful checkered board. And I'm actually trying to find a very specific one that I'm not capable of finding right now. So in the meantime, I will put some more up for you to look at. For instance, I will put this one up for you to look at. This one is very weird as well because it kind of keeps going in a circle forever. Oh, I have found it. So this one. Hold up. This one right here. Now I really gotta change the size in this one, everyone, because this one, for some reason, it's of a huge size. This one. I know the answer to this. This just blows me away. This blows my mind away because it supposedly says A and B are the exact same color, and that you could even go into Photoshop and prove that they're the exact same color. I'm personally not going to go into Photoshop. I'm just going to show you a version that I've kind of come up with that kind of shows you that they are the exact same color. And even still, I don't believe it. It still looks exactly the same to me until you kind of like close your eyes and you kind of feel like, okay, but B isn't equivalent, it isn't the same color as the one to the left of it, to the left bottom of it. It's just so weird and so complicated. You don't normally see this kinds of thing. And that's actually because it's just so